Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a forum post in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, here you can enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see a list of sites. You can choose the correct site from the list and tap on it. It will prompt you to the login page of your Moodle site of school. Here you can enter your username and your password to log into your account. Enter your credential and log into it. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now you need to go to any forum. You can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type in forum and search for it. On the search results, you will see a lot of forums. You can go to any forum. You can just tap on it. In this forum, you can add your own post. As you can see, I've added one post before. If you want to add more posts, you can tap on this add discussion topic option and you can mention your subject and your message. And once you're done, you can see the post to forum option. Tap on it. Now your post is published in this forum. Here you can see your list of posts in this forum. Now in order to edit the forum post, you need to go to your desired forum post. You can simply tap on it. And once you're inside your post, if you scroll it down, here you can see the edit option. Tap on it. Now you can make your necessary changes. You can edit other settings as well. You can add or drop files. You can define the display period. You can define the tags. And once you're done, tap on the Save Changes button. And that's it. That's how you can edit a forum post in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.